In any application that you use, using keyboard shortcuts help you to speed up your workflow. And in Davinci Resolve, what you can do is you can find out the keyboard shortcuts by going around onto the Davinci Resolve menu right here. So once you go around over here, under keyboard customization, you can see that there are different keyboard shortcuts right here, just like this, that you can access. So you can go around over here on the top, and if you're used to, let's say, other application like Adobe Premiere Pro and so forth, then you can go around and choose the shortcut key arrangement for that particular application as well. So let's say you're familiar with Pro Tools, then you can go around and do the same and choose Pro Tools right here. But you get the maximum amount of keyboard shortcuts by choosing Davinci Resolve itself. That is because some of the functions that may be there in other applications may not be available over here, and then some of the functions might be more than other application in Davinci Resolve as well. So over here you can see that there's different keyboard shortcuts. For example, zoom to fit is Shift Z right here. So let me just go around and save this and close this and press Shift Z on my keyboard right here. So if I were to go around right here, this is what I have. So let me just go around and zoom out a bit over here for this particular timeline. So let me just go around over here, press Shift Z, and you can see that the timeline fits over here on the edit page right here, just like this. You can go around over here onto keyboard customization, and let's say you want to go around and then let's say have a shortcut for finalize state. In that case, you can click over here and type in some keyboard shortcuts right here, and if it is assigned to something else, then it'll show up this warning right here. So let me just press Ctrl Alt Shift and D right here, and then what happens is that that particular shortcut is assigned onto this particular function right here. And that is how you can go around and change out the keyboard shortcuts as well. Even for existing contents right here, if you want to change out the keyboard shortcuts, then you can simply go around and change it out right here. So that is how you can go around and then work around with keyboard shortcut settings inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.